There are lots of friends in need out there. Together, TrueCar and Best Friends Animal Society are on the road to save them all. It's summertime. That means road trips, bike rides, spa visits, beach days, picnics, and pool parties. TrueCar and Best Friends Animal Society are asking animal lovers like you to do what you already do best: overshare photos of your pets on their summer adventures. Post them to your Instagram or Twitter, or comment on our Facebook page. And TrueCar will donate $1 for each unique post to Best Friends Animal Society. Just tag each photo with hashtag TrueCar entry and